Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Jordan 11 Low by Jordan Brand in the black, white, varsity red, aka Bred colorway. These were released back in late April 2025 for the retail price of £185 here in the UK, and it comes in a classic black, red and brown Nike box. Inside the box comes your shoes wrapped in white paper with no accessories included, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Air Jordan 11 Low was the first low-top sneaker designed for Michael Jordan since the Air Jordan 2 in 1987, and also restarted the trend of the following Jordan releases having highs and lows. This pair is inspired by the Play Edition version Michael Jordan wore during the 1996 finals. That features a black lining, basically a low-top version of the classic 11 highs, not to be confused with the red line Bred lows that was sported in the summer of 1996 and last restored back in 2015. It sports a black Cordura mesh upper paired with the glossy patent leather overlays wrapping around the mudguard and toe, hits of varsity red accents while sitting on a white midsole and that translucent red outsole showing that carbon fiber plate. The Air Jordan 11 has 2 cuts and 2 lanes. Younger consumers could cop the lows at a lower price, while the olders tend to solely, pun intended, focus on the above the ankle OGs. This is why you can easily grab these for below retail like I did. I recommend staying true to size, and as usual purchase links to my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment low to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.